Hello, welcome back to the channel. Well, the day's here. We're going to try and start my cast iron paperweight. I've got the new distributor in the engine block there, and all that's left is hook up the wiring and give it a go. So let's get down to it. There's the new one. I made the marks on it just like I did on the other one. You can see down there at the base, and you can't see for the other ones because this is the number 1 cylinder. And what did I do with the screwdriver? Left it on the bench probably. Yep. So this is so much easier than, I think, even the original one from back in the day when they made the car had this system on it where you just put the screwdriver down, gave it a half twist, and the hooks would release it. So here's the number 1. Take off the cap. There's a rotor pointing at number 1. Okay, so that goes back in. Find the keyway, wiggle it around, right? And put it back on. Push down, turn and click. Yep. All right. And the engine is at top dead center on number 1. Yep. Okay. Once again, this is the one paper instruction that comes with it. I showed in my last installment, which I'll leave a link to at the end of the video if you want to go back and look at it, about the review from the other instructions I downloaded off of Butler Performance's website where I ordered this from. I don't think I have to do anything except install this. I mean, it's got eyelets already already put on, and so just putting it all on is all I got to do. So let's get to that. Also too, I don't think it says it in instructions, but I've done it. I've disconnected a battery from the whole system. I took the battery cables off. Okay, that's it. Just put on the spark plug wires now. Okay, the moment of truth. So yeah, this is really cool. Got it, man. I've been waiting weeks for a solution and a part to come in, and this is even an upgrade. So not only do I have or don't have the ballast resistor anymore, any of that wiring to contend with whatever the old way of doing things. I've got like a street adjustable distributor now. So this ain't of course the final version of everything. Like I said many times before, this is to get the car running right and get the brakes working somewhat, so I can do the old switcheroo with the pickup truck and start working on that for the frame repair. And yeah, and like right now too, I haven't like make a video of the taking apart of it or anything like that, but it's not the oil cooler. Apparently GM saw fit to put a power steering fluid cooler, which is the part that's leaking, on these Silverados in '99, and maybe they're on, let's see, like I think, yeah, I saw 99 through '07. I don't look like that big of a deal. I got a part already and waiting for the cooler to come in. I can slap that thing on. That should be like a 4 hours or less. So I'm just waiting for it to come in. So also I want to announce, not really super big news, but I got 2 more subscribers here in the past couple of weeks. Thanks for coming on board. And now I'll leave a link to the last video where I actually do a review of the distributor I bought, and possible mod I'm going to make to it, because the weights inside, they kind of flop around in there, and if they collapse when the engines aren't running, it might overlap on the stop points, and so I want to try and tighten that gap up just to keep that from happening somehow. So that's it for the video. If you made it here all the way, thanks for sticking around. Please like and subscribe and share if you choose to. Help the channel out a little bit. Maybe I can get around 500 subscribers by next summer, spring, whatever. So thanks for stopping by, and have a nice day.